for an unforgettable experience.
I'm so young and you're so old. This, my darling, I've been told. I don't care just what they say. Just forever I will pray. You and I will be as free as a bird up in the tree. Oh, please stay by me, Diana. Thrills I get when you hold me close. Oh, my darling, you're the most. I love you with all my heart.
Wallet 254 Entertainment with DJ Wallet 254.
As free like a bird up in the tree. Oh, please stay by me, Diana. Oh, my darling, you're my babe. Oh, my lover, can't do without you. You're my babe. Oh, my love. I'm so young and you're so old. This, my darling, I've been told. I don't care just what they say. Just forever I will pray. You and I will be as free like a bird up in the tree. Oh, please stay by me, Diana.
Wallet 254 Entertainment with DJ Wallet 254.
254, Weston's finest.
You by the seaside, holding hands, smiling with the tide, making up for all we've been missing. Romantic time is here. You're such good company.
my wedding day. I'm getting married, I'm morning for the whole world to see. When all my friends and our family celebrate with me, they're gonna see that lady walking by my side. My gosh, she's a royal. They say that about my bride. Ready for my wedding day, my wedding day. Ready, 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 ready for my wedding day.
DJ Wallet 254, Western's
Ready for
finest.
my wedding day.
I said I'm coming again, the Admiral.
Ready, 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 ready for my wedding day. March out.
Music bring togetherness and togetherness bring happiness. Even if I'm feeling depressed, the only thing to wipe away my sadness now is the sound of the music. How could I refuse it? No matter what is my problem, when the music play, all my troubles are washed away. I couldn't believe it when the Babylon themselves they turn off the music. It was from the beginning of creation to spread the message across the nation. I said I couldn't believe it when the Babylon themselves they turn off the music. It was from the beginning of creation to bring us joy and unification. Yeah, it gives me strength in times of trouble. It helped me to overcome all my struggle. It's only a positive vibration, so don't stop the songs of redemption. Every time the music play, I see my people get together. Rasta getting stronger, Babylon getting weaker. I couldn't believe it when the Babylon themselves they turn off the music. It was from the beginning of creation to spread the message across the nation. I said I couldn't believe it when the Babylon themselves they turn off the music. It was from the beginning of creation to bring us joy and unification. I couldn't believe, I couldn't believe, I couldn't believe it. Babylon say turn it down, then they say turn it off. Oh yeah, music bring togetherness and togetherness bring happiness. Even when I'm feeling depressed, the only thing to wash away my sadness, yo, is the sound of the music. How could I refuse it? No matter what is my problem, when the music play, all my troubles are washed away. I couldn't believe it when the Babylon themselves they turn off the music. It was from the beginning of creation to spread the message across the nation. I said I couldn't believe.
She was a teenage girl, oh so lovely. We rolled around on my bedroom floor. I know she was young, but Lord, she excites me. And every time she touched me, I cried for more.
Wallet 254 Entertainment with DJ Wallet 254.
She give me extra love. I never knew a thing so nice. She give me extra love. It feel like salt and pepper. She give me extra love. It feel like natural spice, so spice. Young girls were never too much to my liking, until the day that she came to my home. Her mama don't know what o'clock it is striking, or else she would never leave her alone. She give me eyes of love, it feel like salt and pepper. She give me eyes of love, I never knew a thing so nice. She give me eyes of love, it feel like salt and pepper.
and let us share the good times together. It's only one world, let's share it together. Cause all my eyes can see is you, my dear. I don't know if the sun will shine tomorrow, but I know my eyes never let me down. And it tells me you're my future, and I believe my eyes. And I don't care if the sun don't shine anymore. If this is love, my dear, welcome to my world. And let us share the good times together. It's only one world, let's share it together. Cause all my eyes can see is you, my dear. Na 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 na
Send me the pillow that you dream on. Don't you know that I still care for you? Send me the pillow that you dream on.
Wallet 254 Entertainment
So, darling,
with
I
DJ
can
Wallet
dream
254.
Each night while I'm sleeping, oh so lonely, I'll share your love and dreams that once were true. I've waited so long for you to write me, but just a memory's all that's left of you. Send me the pillow that you dream on. Don't you know that I still care for you? Send me the pillow that you dream on. So, darling, I can dream on it too.
There is no reason to cry for you now. I needed you when I was a little boy. Now I'm on my own. I tried to call you many times. Every time I try in vain. You know where to find me when you wanna see me. You know where to find me when you wanna talk to me. You know where to find me when you wanna see me. You know where to find me when you wanna talk to me.
DJ Wallet 254, Western's finest.
Could not feel bad. Told myself I'm an offend. The only consolation I had was I'm not the only one. You know where to find me
say thank you for all the things that I've showed you. No, still I stood by you. Has it occurred to you lately how I'm feeling, my baby? No, still I stand by you. Yeah, you. Yet there is one thing I need you to know about the small matter what you neglect to show. Show me that you love me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Show me that you care, so we can be blessed now, minus the stress now. Yeah, did I render you lonely? Was I your one and only? No, still I stood by you. Did you give me more than I bargained? Yeah, yeah. Drain the love out of my fountain. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, still I stand by you. Yeah, yeah. Yes, there is one thing I need you to know about the small matter what you neglect to show. Show me that you love me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Show me that you care, so we can be blessed now, minus the stress now. Yeah, yeah. No word of a lie.
Your love, I and I defense. Jaja will take away my sorrows, turn them into joy. Take away my mornings, Jah, turn them into gladness. Babylon did come to trample me down. But through them try and them fail, them realize still I see I prevail. Tell me children, when it's only Jah love, my one defense. Then it's only Jah love, I and I defense. Tell me children, when it's only Jah love, a holy protector. Then it's only Jah love, I and I defense. Jah will take away my sorrows, turn them into joy. Take away my mornings, Jah, turn them into gladness. Lord, amen. Devil them did come to trample me down. But through them try and them fail, them realize the last year I prevail. Tell your children, when it's only Jah love, my one defense. Then it's only Jah love, I and I defense. Then it's only Jah love, a holy protector. Then it's only Jah love, I and I defense.
A Chinese man from Montego Bay come up a town to make up a stay. He was a crazy over decent girl. Yes, and him get one with many a girls. Him say, girl, I love you to death. Free food and money, you're sure to get. But there's one thing you got to understand. You must not ramp with a nigga man. Why oh, nigga man a trouble, make I see you. Why oh, a nigga man a trouble, make I see you. Next year John went downtown for a walk, and when him come back, he couldn't spark. John put him ears at the door. He hear a bass voice dancing over. John said, Maxi, Kaido. A nigga man a trouble, make I see low. Why oh, a nigga man a trouble, make I see low.
DJ Wallace 254, Weston's finest.
Nigga man a trouble, make I see low. Leave my guy see low. I said no. Leave my guy see low. Leave me guy see low. Nigga man, leave my guy see low.
say, girl,
Stay away from me now, as far as the east is from the west. Why oh, make a man a trouble, make I see low. Why oh, make a man a trouble, make I see low.
I am begging you a chance, Mr. John. I'll try to do better next time.
what? You beg me chance?
Me no give chance, no chance. I said you pack up your things and go home. I don't want no nigga man come broke my bone. Why oh, make a man a trouble, make I see low. Why oh, make a man a trouble, make I see low. Leave my guy see low. Leave my guy see low. Leave me guy see low. Nigga man, leave my guy see low. Leave my guy see low. Leave my guy see low. Leave me guy see low. Nigga man, leave my guy.
Hey, Mr. DJ, I know you got a lot of record to play, but I wonder would you play one just for me and this rainy day? I wanna hear a song that say how much I love my baby. You see, he just came back to me from far away. Play me a love song. Play me a love song. I wanna just rock in the arms of my baby all day long. Play me a love song. Play me a love song. I wanna just rock in the arms of my baby all day long. Play something soft and nasty, with word rich with spice, something with a soulful feeling, something that will send us reeling deep in the arms of love. I wanna to chain in his love. I wanna be chained and bound in his love.
Wallet 254 Entertainment with DJ Wallet
Play me a
254.
love song. I wanna just rock in the arms of my baby all day long. Play me a love song. Play me a love song. I wanna just rock in the arms of my baby all day long.
Fire, 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 fire.
Now hear this.
Now hear this.
Hey, Mr. DJ, I know you got a lot of record to play, but I wonder would you play one just for me and this rainy day? I wanna hear a song that say how much I love my baby. You see, he just came back to me from far away. Play me a love song. Play me a love song. I wanna just rock in the arms of my baby all day long. Play me a love song. Play me a love song. I wanna just rock in the arms of my baby all day long. Play something soft and nasty, with word rich with spice, something with a soulful feeling, something that will send us reeling deep in the arms of love. I wanna to chain in his love. I wanna be chained and bound in his love. Play me a love song. Play me a love song. I wanna just rock in the arms of my baby all day long. Play me a love song. Play me a love song. I wanna just rock in the arms of my baby all day long.
I went on a scene last night to look for my woman, and there she was, in a corner she standing. The night was young, so I hold on to her hand. She said, Bingy, let's go, no bother spoil this your show. I see she know,
Lasma
Bingy don't
Kashike.
go. Stay a little while longer, no go, no spoil this your show.
did before. Touch me, make me really want more. She said, come on, beats. You have a boat, we go paddle. So muscle up. No matter one like you a muggle. She said, get ready. Cause this your boat, yeah, is heavy. So get ready. We go rock it steady.
Wallet 254 Entertainments with DJ Wallet 254.
Can I live on like this every day of my life? On your promises which never come true. How longer can we wait? Wait in this state when my pants is torn, shoes worn off. All the youths are crying, feeling the pangs of hell. No food to eat, no money to spend. You know well, and I know too. The birds cannot fly on one wing. You know well, and I know too. A hungry man is a hungry man. Help me today, I help you tomorrow. Yes, in this way we will both survive. Promising me this.
Thank you for listening to The Mix Show
Promising me that.
with DJ Wallet
See,
254.
I'm not a fool who live on promises. You know well, and I know too. The birds cannot fly on one wing.
Have I told you? Have I shown you what I'm feeling when I hold you? It feels like heaven, heaven surrounds me. Every time you wrap your arms around me, and there's nothing I can say or ever do to deserve the love of a woman like you. When you're with me, when you kiss me, when you tell me how much you miss me, every moment we're together brings us closer, closer to forever. And there's nothing I can say or ever do to deserve the love of a woman like you. Well, yeah. Woman like you. Where would I go? What would I do? Who would I be without a woman like you? Oh, a woman like you. Have I told you? Have I shown you what I'm feeling
Now,
when I hold
now
you?
hear this.
It feels like heaven.
Now hear this.
Heaven surrounds me. Every time you wrap your arms around me, and there's nothing I can say or ever do to deserve the love of a woman like you. No, there's nothing I can say or ever do to deserve the love of a woman like you. Yeah.
DJ Wallet 254.
From day to day, tears from my eyes keep on falling, 'cause you are leaving, even with another. That we've done together, I know we're
Raging out the control, world on fire. Red hot, yeah. Fire burning. Lord, Lord, been and praying for things to get better. But Rasta now, it ain't gonna get worse. So much worse. Signs of their times are getting clearer. Lord, Lord, and this Mount Justice getting nearer, clearer every day. Raging out the control, world on fire.
DJ Wallet 254, Weston's finest.
Fire burning, Lord, Lord, some hoping and praying for things to get better. But Rasta now, it ain't gonna get worse. So much worse. Signs of their times are getting clearer. Lord, Lord, and this Mount Justice getting nearer, clearer every day. Things are go crucial. Down in a Babylon, yeah. Things are go brutal now. Dog a go now, dog. Things are go brutal. Down in a Babylon, yeah. Things are go crucial now, now, now. Lord, Lord, crucial, crucial, yeah. Crucial, crucial, yeah. One, been on wailing and more tribulation. Threats and more fears and rumors of war. Lord, Lord, world food shortage and mass starvation. Lord, Lord, man and man hurted to destruction. Say me never warn ya. Things are go brutal. Down in a Babylon, yeah. Things are go crucial now. So much crime and violence. Down in a Babylon, things are go crucial. Baby, baby, why, oh, why did you leave me for another guy? Yeah. You wasn't in need of loving, baby, when you left me and went your way. Yeah. I know that you'll be sorry, but no use come on begging me.
DJ Wallet 254, Weston's finest.
I was the one who loved you, but you didn't care, and now you lost me. You never know the use of a good thing until the day that you have lost me. Baby, baby, why, oh, why did you leave me for another guy? Baby, baby, why, oh, why did you leave me? Now you come to cry. I never promised you romance. I never said that I would dance, and I'm not learning. I never said I'd buy you rings. I never promised you a thing, and I'm not turning.
love you, and you will always know I care. As long as you will let me love you, I'll be there. You ask me, could I love you more? There's only you that I adore, but you're not believing. No, would I ever break your heart? I couldn't bear to be apart, so I'm not leaving. 'Cause I would put no one above you, and you will always know I care. As long as you will let me love you, I'll be there.
DJ Wallet's 254, Weston's finest.
Could I love you more? There's only you that I adore, but you're not believing. No, would I ever break your heart? I couldn't bear to be apart, so I'm not leaving. 'Cause I will put no one above you, and you will always know I care. You will let me love you, I'll be there.
I told you,
'cause I will put no one
I told you that things won't be the same. You think she couldn't get over you? You think she couldn't move on? You think she couldn't find someone to release her from her prison sentence? A prisoner, she's looking for a lover, not a warder. Someone to take her on dates, don't treat her like a prison mate. Someone to wine and dine her, and take her to the late night movies, or to an elegant party where we'll be having fun, mingle with everyone, dance until morning come. So I told you a change was gonna come. I told you she was waiting for the right time to run. I told you she getting tired of the bun. I told you she's simply not the same. I said I've got news for you. She's just found someone new who treats her better than you, like no one ever do. I heard you going crazy over her, running up and down, searching all over town. But what you have lost, somebody else has found. Right now her life has changed. She's moving on her way, no stopping her again. She's simply not the same. So I told you a change was gonna come. I told you she was waiting for the right time to run. I told you she getting tired of the bun. I told you
got to
she's simply not the same.
Living on the front line, you got to compromise. In the communication, you hear and deaf, see I'm blind. So you got to be a diplomat, 'cause you see I'm blind, hear and deaf. No, I lost my way to Albert Villa. Can't help you, 'cause Francis closed down in Trinidad Flat. No, I lost my way to Albert Villa. Can't that we live in. It's like throwing pearl to the swine, cause cement can't mix without sun, without sun. I lost my way to Albert Villa, can't help you, cause Francis goes down in Trinidad Class. No. I lost my way to Albert Villa, can't help you, cause Francis goes down in Trinidad Class.
What a liberty, what a disrespect. You're taking with your people and his servants did. No respect for his imperial majesty.
Wallet 254 Entertainment with DJ Wallet 254.
You must suffer by that, yeah. You know the trouble black man king, white boy. The trouble black man king. You know the trouble black man king, white boy. The trouble black man king. Head is on your shoulder if you're trouble black man king. Head is on your shoulder if you're trouble black man king. Say I love the trouble black man king, white boy. The trouble black man king. Nothing touch black man king, white boy. The trouble black man king. Head is on your shoulder if you're trouble black man king. Head is on your shoulder if you're trouble the black man king. You brought I down here, then you slave I. No respect for the sons of Rastafari. You slave I already, and all in your intention. Hey, but if you think you're bad on me, come try it again. What? The love the trouble black man king, white boy. The trouble black man king. The trouble the black man king, white boy. The trouble the black man king. It is on your shoulder. If you trouble the black man king, I'm gonna give this love a try. I'm gonna give this love a try. I'm gonna give this love a try. Even if it's only high and low.
Wallet 254 Entertainment with DJ Wallet 254.
I'm gonna give this love a try. I've got to give this love a try. Even if it's only high and by. I really got to give this love a try. Ain't just let it pass me by and by. Even if it leaves me high and dry. It's not if but oh maybe. Ain't let it drive me crazy. Cause I've got to do what I have to do. It doesn't matter what they say or do. Now that we made a start, don't wanna break any heart. Love like this should never be apart. I just wanna play your game, even if it means being in pain. I've got to give it a try, even if it's only high and by. Got to give it all that you got. Once you make a start, don't you stop. Don't wanna put you on the spot. How can I take you for granted? Love like this is most wanted. Here is something that love can do. Yes, you should know it's a game for two. Nothing ever suits me like you do. So I really got to give this love a try. Can't just let it pass me by and by. Even if it leaves me high and dry. Got to give this love a try. Got to give this love a try. I just wanna play your game, even if it means being in pain. I've got to give it a try, even if it's only high and by. Got to give it all that you got. Once you make a start, don't you stop. Don't wanna put you on the spot.
DJ Wallet 254, Weston's
How
finest.
can I take you for granted? Love like this is most wanted. Here is something that love
Palace 254, Weston's finest.
I found my belongings neatly wrapped up and packed in a scandal bag by the gate when I got back. I don't know how she found out where I have been, but to lose a love like hers would be a sin. So tell me, are you really gonna mash up with love and life over one little mistake? Are you really gonna mash up with love and life? Think it over, darling, give me a break. I don't wanna lose my true love. Shoo-be-doo-be-whoa. Must I suffer a lifetime for one moment of weakness, when the feelings I had for her were only lust? My feelings for you, darling, are love and sweetness. If you leave me now, another lover bites the dust. So tell me, are you really gonna mash up with love and life over one little mistake? Are you really gonna mash up with love and life? Think it over, darling, give me a break.
DJ Palace 254, Weston's finest.
Shoo-be-doo-be-whoa. Sex brings out the animal in a man, and when a man wants to act like a dog, you know he can. My doggish behavior tonight was my first and last, You're angry now, but the feeling will soon pass. So tell me, are you really gonna mash up with love and life over one little mistake? Are you really gonna mash up with love and life?
I've been watching you, like you get over your misery, Someone spreading rumors on me. I wonder who could it be? Someone out there eyes on me, saying things that they never see. But stop scandalizing my name for the things that I know not about. Why is it I'm the one to be blamed? You watch me going in and you watch me coming out. It must be an informer, it must be a backbiter, it must be a vampire who want me to suffer under the pressure. It must be an informer, it must be a backbiter, it must be a vampire. But I'm burning hot like a fire. I have no secret for no one to keep, so you can say what you wanna say. You never see me playing hide and seek. I try to live in a positive way. Can't you see that I'm innocent, but you're trying to find me guilty? I will never lose my confidence, so don't disrespect my integrity. It must be an informer, it must be a backbiter, it must be a vampire who want me to suffer under the pressure. It must be an informer, it must be a backbiter, it must be a vampire. But I'm burning hot like a fire. I've been watching you, watching
Now, hear this.
Now hear this.
I've been watching you, watching me.
Lasma Kashike.
Someone spreading rumors on me. I wonder
hard to get by just upon a smile, girl. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wine world. I'll always remember you like a child, girl.
DJ Wallace 254, Weston's finest.
Get ready for an unforgettable experience.
Now that I've lost everything to you, you say you wanna start something new, and it's breaking my heart you leaving. Baby, I'm grieving, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you find a lot of nice things to wear, but then a lot of nice things turn bad out there. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wide world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile, girl. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wide world. I'll always remember you like a child, girl. You know I've seen a lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two, because I never wanna see you sad, girl. Don't be a bad girl, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you find a lot of nice friends out there, but just remember there's a lot of bad everywhere. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wide world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile, girl.
Wallet 254 Entertainment with DJ Wallet 254.
I'll always remember you like a child, girl.
Go out and play, yeah. You might never find what you seek, so before you're old and weak, give it all you got today, yeah. These are some things you must bear in mind. Can't please everyone every time. What if tomorrow you wake and find half of your life just blew your mind? Don't you wait until it's too late. Don't let the horse go through the gate. Give it all you got today. Yeah, yeah. Oh, now there's a bright sun shining, shining for you. Yeah, yeah. It's a different morning. Go out and touch the dew. Give it all you got today. Chase the I can't survive away. You got the will, green light, say go. Tell it to all those who don't know. Give it all you got today. Spend all your life trying to impress. Too easily you answer yes. At the end of the day they just disrespect. 'Cause what you give is what you get. And it's too late when you realize you never grow past chicken and fries. Give it all you got today. Oh, now, tell me that I'm wrong and that I don't know what I'm talking about now. Oh, oh. Prove it to me now and then I'll gladly shut up my mouth. Yes. Don't wanna wind up like my mommy and my daddy and the neighbors who work hard and then just fade away. It is a new world and this is the part I'll play. Give it all you got today. These are some things you must bear in mind. Please everyone every time. What if tomorrow you wake and
I have gone right round the world trying to find a woman that will understand me. trying to find a woman that will understand me. All the woman I had before never understood me. Now that I find you, baby, I ain't gonna look no further. Now that I find you, baby, I ain't gonna look no further. Now that I found you, baby, I ain't gonna look no further. It's so nice when you're there. So nice, so nice. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. Baby, you know how much I need you, baby. Please never leave me, baby.
Wallet 254 Entertainments with DJ Wallet 254.
Ayo, 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 ayo,
Imagine living in a world where there is no war. No, oh no. So pure. And imagine that everyone you see knows what we're living for. Oh, what a wonderful world it would be, a world of love and peace. Where no evil can abide, only righteousness increase. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And we can do it if we only believe. Yes, we can do it if we only agree. It's your will and mine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your
DJ
will
Ballet
and
254, Western's finest.
Your will and mine. Imagine that everyone could give as much as they'd like to get. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And imagine if everyone could learn to show each other respect. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, what a wonderful world it would be for you and me. Yeah, yeah. Then even the blind could see, and the deaf man could hear. Boy, oh, yeah. We can do it if we only believe. We can do it if we only agree. Jehovah
Don't sit down there and cry. Put your shoulders to the wheel, and your goal you will achieve. That's the way to reach the top. I know that the time is rough. You know that the life is tough, but you can't afford to give up now. You'll make it if you try. Don't sit down there and sigh. We can make it if we'll try. Don't sit down there and some will try to make it, others will try to break it, but you can't afford to give up now. There are others who make it, while others come and take it. Just remember, lift up your head and hold it so high. You'll make it if you try. Don't sit down there and we can make it.
Now,
we try.
Now hear this.
Don't sit down there and cry.
When I was a young man in a me prime, you know I coulda get a girl as I like. Now me go hold me courage boil down. All of the girl them a run from me. Engine a run with fire and cool. The girl them a come with a naked backbone. Come boy, make we go spree. For that is all that we can do. Happy go lucky when you win pick up home. Buy me a strong year when you come back. All man got to be free to get a pretty girl and sing like. In a me prime, you know I coulda get a girl as I like. Now me grow old, me courage boil down. All of the girl them a run from me. Rock up in a creases, circle in a sun, and they fall and a try out them plan. Come girl,
Wallet
make me go
254 Entertainment with DJ Wallet 254.
Who them want to feature my ends. With Hortense I had a relationship. She wanted to be my wife, but every time I see sexy Carol, I just wanted her in my life. So I came up with a brand new solution. You could say my master plan to fulfill my heart's desire and be with these two women. Doing you too bad, doing you too bad, doing you too bad. You're gonna end up sad. You're gonna end up sad. Listen to my story now. Oh yeah. Da-da-da-da-ba-ba. So I met with a girl named Carol, and I told her she looking so nice. Even though I may be kind of busy, I can see her on Tuesday night. Wednesday night I spent with Hortense, and I knew that I would be dead if she knew that our best friend Carol spent the night before in my bed. For a while there I was the greatest, the big man on top of the hill. They were only planning my medicine, they'll soon be serving my pill. Doing you too bad, doing you too bad, doing you too bad. You're gonna end up sad. You're gonna end up sad. Doing you too bad. You're gonna end up sad.
254 Entertainments with DJ Wallet 254.
I'm dreaming of a new Jamaica, a land of peace and love. Some say they cannot see no hope, that's why they leave this land. I know there is hope somewhere, that's why I wrote this song. So let me tell you all who believe in love. I say go sing this song with me, all who believe in love. I say go sing this song with me, now they're singing la 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 la. I mean I know, la 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 la. My children all have gone and leaving me behind. I know there is hope somewhere, that's why I wrote this song. So let me tell you all who believe in love. I say go sing this song with me. Everybody say all who believe in love. I say go sing this song with me. Now they're singing la 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 la. I mean I know, la 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 la. And everybody gonna rock over town. And at the time come a rock all around. And everybody come a rock over town. And I hear this song come a rock all around. And everybody come a rock over town. And everybody come a rock all around. And everybody come a rock over town. And I hear this song come a rock over town. And if they're feeling hungry, them a rock over. And if they're thirsty still, them a rock all around. And everybody come a rock over town. Them a rock, 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 them a rock over town. I know.
DJ Wallet 254, Weston's finest.
Said if you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. And if you can't take blows, brother, don't throw blows. If you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. And if you can't take blows, sister, don't throw blows. Harm no man, let no man harm you. Do unto others as they would do to you. And to every bald head, respect the Rasta man, 'cause he's the only man left on creation. And if you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. And if you can't take blows, brother, don't throw blows. Said if you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. And if you can't take blows, sister, don't throw blows.
DJ Wallet 254, Weston's
Most go
finest.
see I looking so humble. Would like to try something, but your world would have crumbled. 'Cause behind thy back, you like to grumble. And before I face, you always a fumble, yeah. And if you live in a glass house, I beg you don't throw stones, no. And if you can't take blows, brother, don't throw blows. Said if you live in a glass house, not throw stones. And if you can't take blows, sister, not throw blows.
DJ Wallet 254, Weston's finest.